Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Winix Smart Air Purifier. I picked this one up here at our Home Depot, and the model number to the air purifier is HR1000. And I paid about $275 for it. I thought it was a pretty good deal, so I went on and picked it up. I've been needing a purifier here for a while to try to help out with some of this dust, so I'm gonna give it a shot and see how good it is. So this purifier is a 4-stage true HEPA filter, and it says 4-stage, meaning it has 4 different filters, and it purifies like 4 different stages of purification. So yeah, it's optimum up to 400 square foot. So that's a pretty nice size space to purify. So I'll probably just move it around from my living room to the bedroom, and until I get some money to buy another one. So yeah. Okay, when you open the box, you're looking at the instructions. So in the instructions, it shows you how to set up the your phone. Notice I said at the beginning it's a smart purifier, so it's Wi-Fi enabled. So these are the instructions on how you pair it with your phone, and these are the instructions on how to operate the actual purifier. Yeah, so I had to pause the video because I couldn't do it with one hand, set it out, but here it goes. It's wrapped pretty neat with plastic, I guess to protect it when it's shipped. So it's looking pretty nice so far. So yeah, it's plastic cover. Here's the sensor and the Wi-Fi lights. You have the mode button, power button, plasma, and the timer. And it also has in the background, you have the reset button, a check filter light. You can set your timer for an hour, 4 hours, or 8 hours. It has a sleep, auto, low, medium, high, and turbo. You have the Wi-Fi light and your phone light, so they let you know if the phone's paired to Wi-Fi. And it has the vents on the side for air intake and outtake. And on the back, it has the label, your information label. It's 120 volts, 90 watts, and 1.3 amps. So I guess that's pretty energy efficient. I don't know too much about that, so just want to let you guys get a look at everything. So yeah, have the same vents on the other side, and it also has a pretty decent length cable cord on the back, in case you probably will be away from your plug. So yeah, this is it, guys. The Winix HR1000 Wi-Fi enabled smart air purifier, true HEPA, 4-stage. This will be a good thing to have for people with allergies, and maybe just to stay on a dusty road or something like that. Maybe they want to purify the air in the house, bacteria and everything. Like I said, I've been needing one for a while, and I'm kind of excited about trying it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please rate and subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day.